Today, we'll be familiarizing you with ordering Notary public stamps. Begin by choosing Services. In the drop-down, select Print and Copy. Here you'll find all of our different stamps and printing services. Scroll down to Custom Stamp tile. Select it. Choose the Notary Public Stamp tile by clicking Shop Now. There are many different options to choose from for Notary stamps. Since different states have different requirements, you'll find a way to filter the ones for your state in the left-hand toolbar. Simply choose your state and only the options in compliance for your state will appear. Click Customize to select the stamp you want to order. This will take you to the Notary configuration page. Choose your state here again. This will provide you with all of the types that will be compliant for your state. Some states may offer multiple compliant formats. Select Create for the format you want to use. Click on Create. Now the system will ask you to upload your Notary certificate. Go into the Options area and choose File. This will open your personal folders. Choose your document and upload. Please make sure your full name matches your certificate exactly. Since different states have different requirements, the system will tell you what is required or optional. For some stamps, you can choose an alternate color. Once your stamp looks like the way you'd like, choose Next. Here you can preview your stamp and view pricing. If you need a PDF proof, you can preview that as well. Next, accept and approve your artwork. This will add it to the cart. From here, check out or continue shopping. Thank you so much for choosing ODP.